Hey everybody, it's hey guys, it's me, it's Rick. My name's Rick. It's Rick here, and I'm really excited about this channel. And hey,
It took too long.
hey,
You took a long time.
can I finish this intro?
I'm just saying, you took forever. They're not trying to wait and hear this all day.
As I was saying, really excited about this channel. I've had this crazy life. The past 10 years, you'll hear all about it. But I really want to take the opportunity to help people who've been in my position, from starting your own business to transitioning to other careers and not feeling like you're dude.
What?
Seriously?
What?
I'm trying to have a serious
this
talk
is
with people,
boring.
telling them
I'm
like
just trying to entertain.
why they
I
should
don't
visit my
care.
page, and you're over here just. Ugh. That's how I'm acting. Okay. Whatever. It's fine. It's fine. You're gonna learn a lot on this page. Yes, there'll be some entertaining moments from this guy. But there's gonna be some things you can learn. So we're gonna really try to. You couldn't scoop some of the ice cream out.
What?
You just had to take the whole.
I didn't know how
That's
much.
brand
I
new.
didn't
Just
know how
eating
much
straight
I
out of the
wanted.
container.
Yeah, because I don't. Whatever. So go, talk to him. Let me be.
You're gonna learn a lot in this channel. I'm gonna learn a lot by being on this channel with you. We're gonna be posting at least one vlog a week. That's all I can promise is one.
One blog. That's all you can do.
Are you gonna edit every video every day, seeing that we learned how to edit
you
like
get
2
mad
weeks
at all
ago?
the people you watch. You're like, oh,
Right?
Casey.
Do I look like Cody?
Cody
No.
kills it.
Or Casey? Or Peter? Or any of those other
You're not even
people?
close to Peter. Don't
Breakfast
even
for
try.
Metal and Metal Breakfast. I'm not making fun of you guys. I really admire all of your work. And
all I do
I don't know how you guys do it. I don't.
What you do? You just watch them like on repeat. This is stupid how much you watch them.
It'll be
He
fun.
loves you
I
guys,
promise.
but he binge watches.
Stay tuned, guys. You're literally just. I'm not recording
Dude,
this.
that
intro.
was the worst intro. You suck. You're terrible.
Oh, you're not gonna cut me off? Okay, whatever. Bye.